Hey guys! Let's talk about the right way to make cornrows on yourself. Make sure your hair is well parted. Then comb your hair well to make it easy to grab. Then let's get into the video, guys. Cut a little in front for a start. After getting your 3-start hair, do normal braid for 2 to 3 times. Then start adding grab hair from the back. Don't grab too much hair. Tighten your hand so there will be no too much gap, and to make it kindly firm, watch till the end. Comment below for more hairstyles tutorial. You can also drop hairstyles you will like me to recreate. Now we are good to go. Try this step on yourself, easy for beginners. Don't forget to like this video and follow for more beginners-friendly hairstyles tutorials.